How to increase your SBI credit card limit in minutes. Just one message to increase the limit. Yes, you are listening right. You can increase your SBI credit card limits in just minutes. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, we have to go to our mobile phone, and over there we have to send a SMS on this number called, one second, this is 5676791, and you have to SMS, that is SMS is INCR and a space, and after that 4 digit of your SBI credit card, 4 last digit of your SBI credit card, and send this message via the number linked on your SBI credit card. Now you can check it out at showing you a request for credit limit increase, and your limit has been processed successfully and increased from 15 to 46. That's mean a great way to how you can increase your SBI credit card limit. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.